Well, if this book shows up on the screen, this changed my life, this book. It was the first book that had in the title, the most comprehensive plan ever proposed to reverse global warming. It's called Drawdown, and a lot of people have heard of it. If you haven't, go to drawdown.org. And it basically is saying, yes, we don't want to just avoid the worst consequences. We actually, we have the tools to start reversing global warming. And the faster we do it, the fewer the consequences. The 1.5 and the 2-degree goals are compromise goals because that's what people thought was we could accept, but they're not actually a livable world. That's the big secret about 1.5 degrees. If you lose 90% of the coral in the world, you're in big trouble. And so my perspective is that the thing we most need is hope. And I'm talking about active hope, not hoping something happens sometime, active hope. And that hope derives from the belief in human creativity, that we can actually, if we decide to do what we need to do, we can do it. We have the tools, and we have the ability to make the world a livable, healthy, safe world for everyone in the world, and we can afford to do that. And so I hope a lot of your guests are going to talk about that kind of thing, which is, you know, it involves reversing global warming. It involves regenerating society, regenerating agriculture, regenerating all sorts of aspects of the world, and restoring the world to a healthy, safe environment. And those goals, I think, are much more inspiring. They'll catch people's attention than, you know, work your butt off the rest of your life to slow things down. Not really a great goal.
And whatever happened to American ingenuity and innovation?